Molweni bahlali, welcome ku Sporting Culture. Igama ngumzi Jonas. Sama no Pradeep behind the camera. Nomqeqeshi kunjani bhuti wami?
Aphileka Damsile Khondo manje kunjani ko?
Yeah, kuhla khona bhuti. Besibukele i-exit esaid yabafana bafana ku FIFA 2026 World Cup bethwa yiCanada 1-0 ngomzuzu wokugcina, ngomzuzu wokugqibela. Ubunjani lamdlalo ngokubona kwakho besinjani throughout the World Cup?
Yeah, Damsile. Umdlalo obumuhle kakhulu. Is one of the best performance benizibukela zabafana. We have given our best, you know, in terms of udlala kulento bese adopte kuyo. You have to make sure we are defensive solid and then trying to catch up with counter la majita. Trying to play long balls kula noka kumahopa. You could see a game in ixesha elinintsi umahopa nomufukeng every time sidlala kumahopa umfukeng uyasondela so that iflika kwakhe kumahopa makes a run oyabo, and then the side of ulandu apolice goes inside and then sivulela elala noka elacabanga ulumfana Aubrey anyuke ngokwakhe phana yabo, and then in terms of sefumane umkwena adrope in as nandika i-cover defense alomfana uAubrey uModiba lo i-shape yethu ibi solid. I've seen the players that fighting for ibhola good work to ulandoka lomfana uSithole usebenzile naye klamajita, and then we have seen some of abantu bebe frustrated zeza back passes ka Oke no Lansika no Williams, no Landoka, no Mbokazi, but you could see into bangamana they were looking for a channel. Yeah, every time the man go jika ako adlale Williams angaliphakamisi, we were looking for runs. Yeah, in terms of Ulandika, Umaseko, Apolis, or Ulandika straight siye kulomfana uMahopa. So that was our game overall. Kula mesh, and then we were solid. We were doing what we can say in the bangamana is good for us in terms of the tournament. Yeah, but unfortunately, Kasquas we win that game, but it was a good something that we could see in the Buddhas. They were playing to their best, especially defense here to the midfielder here. I was disappointed to final third year. It was not good. There were no combinations. There were no relationship. There were no link ups. Good final third year. Whereby they need to make sure by Buddhas is solid. Yeah, and then Umaseko play very good last game here too, but Kulia game he was selfish. Way too much kunto bangamana afuna uxoya ngokwakhe team again. I was expecting into bangamana at least release abantu pa yabo. There were chances as create leyo pa beautiful if Pof beyigqibezele kula nokumutawo, because I think iphumile yaya ku Aubrey wadlala kuLansika ku Apolis wangena ngaphakathi kwa shiftwa kwayiwa kuMaseko, makes a good run eboxing phakathi uLandika umutawo, just layer off ibhola miyeka igqitha nebhola because already kukho umuntu ongapha omenza on umutawo yabo. So if lo wakho umuntu ukubambile layer off umutawo wadlule pose yambona enyuka ngerun, but akayenza ngalona. Umutawo wabonisa ku world bangamana singabantu beshushayi, singabantu abahle ebholeni kusayalihlikihla beSouth Africa yabo. Hlaba ishibo phana noma ziyi2 ziyi3 zishibo sisabe emadodeni papa nokufala amadoda phina ngofala amadoda yabo. So yeah, so I'm saying terms overall we were good, man. We play our football and I was happy to see that. Yeah, but I'm saying if besiqalela hlobo, I think guess we're good. Even kwala game big maybe wineka le times we can maybe wineka, but unfortunately kanga isikwazi win. Yeah, but I'm saying coach masimgcine times he can do something good for ibafana. Yeah, but the analyze times yeah, also Tamsi so it was a good football Tamsi, man. So uthini wena Tamsi ta? Yeah, but
I know asibukela game one because
yeah,
besithembisa I think ekuqaleni kwegame kuya kula hydration
yeah, water break, yeah.
Emva koko sa reserved besingakho adventurous, besingayi phambili yabo. Eyona nto isibethileyo isikakhulu okanye ikakhulu ukususa i-creative spark, ukususa i-energy. singena nje first half yabo ucoach ukhupha uLanduka Mofokeng introduces Umbatha. It was a surprise sub, you know. I don't remember Urele losing balls. You know, I don't remember Urele losing balls. You know, it was just keep him longer in the game. Yeah, because nguye oyena uphetheyo phaa nguye engine ye-team, so you keep him longer in the game nxa ufuna uwina. Yabo. So with the introduction ke ngoku kaLanduka kaMbatha, we are seeing now 3 defensive midfielders. So we are sort of like going back to la game ye-Mexico in a way. Yabo. Even though ngoku ungadefendi nga-5 udefende nange-3 suswini, but now it's more or less the same thing. You know, because now ukhupha unumber 10 sawudlala ngabani, la linka play uyayisusa. Yabo. So we saw from that, but okay, Hugo Broos is now playing to lose because uthi ngoku uzodefend, ufuna uyitsala le game defensively, hoping that bakuzoscore soba solid and aware throughout the game, whole 90 plus minutes, so that say we penalties mhlambe sidlule you know, nge-saves zika-Williams ba, you know, of which I felt like uMadala njengoba ebesithi bana no-Ronza nawo bebesithi uyabhiliva kubo, yabo, la defense shows ba akabhilivi kubo. You know, akabhilivi kuRele enough ba okay, u-Auti that young can carry the game, yabo, because we saw him doing it, yabo, we know he's capable. So uMadala started playing to lose, yabo, because once you defend, there's bound to be a lapse of concentration at some point, yabo. And now you have these center mids zintathu. Now la second ball ifunyanwa njani? You brought in i-defense, yabo, la goal yenze kanjani, yabo, because the second ball there, yabo, and it's volleyed nice into icon, yabo, baphi ke ngoku abaLanduka who's coming out pha ayovala la shot ingenzeki. And throughout the game we haven't been besingayidlali second ball, la majita beyayawo second ball pha. uMaseko last game apho siwine khona ngala goal yakhe 1-0 against iCzechia, ne? He was having a bad good game. Yabo. It wasn't having a great game because ebe selfish. Yeah. Ebe selfish. Yabo. Ebe very selfish umfethu. Now ke ngoku ufumaniseke ba South Korea. Now wenza the same thing, he cuts in, it's obvious uyaziwa ngoku, yabo. First game usifumanele ipenalty, second game waskorela, uyayazi ke ngokuba okay i-attack yawo bantu now isuka kwicala eli-1. uRele gets it, whoever gets it faka kuMaseko. Now benza ntoni? uMaseko bamphefumlisa, uyireceiver nangumntu izinqa apha ecam kwakhe, yabo, funeke ayibuyisele back kuLanduka kuSailor, okanye there's a mix up phana baxinene too close to each other kwenzima upaselana, uzazi uphuma njani ba, yabo, because once amajita ayayazi ba if some allow ispace into ba aze kuthi nebhola is dangerous, masingamphefumlisi, stay close, yabo. So bamvalile, yabo, bazama novala noTebza, yabo. uLanduka i-substitutions were very bad, yabo. Now ugcina uApoliso, not to say ebengekho kwi-tournament, ebengekho gamini, ebengekho kwi-entire tournament, yabo. Le nto besiyilindele kuye akayenzanga, yabo, because we had high hopes coming into the tournament. Akayenzanga, I wasn't there, yabo. So I expected mna an early sub for uLanduka, Apoliso kungene uMoremi. I expected a sub ezawuthi pha kuMaseko kungena uSibelebeli, continue that pace, continue ngala pace, yabo, ikhoyo on both wingers, yabo. Faka uSibelebele, then you keep uRele pha in that engine, yabo. That's how I think maybe things we could have done better kwiLanduka subs that were made by coach. Yabo. Coach played ibhola engayiphambili negative. Yabo. Fumaniseka sine ball possession njani. What did we do? Uronza touches ezininzi between yena Ocon no Mbokazi. Meaning bana besingayi phambili. Yabo. Besibhuwisho i-build up yethu bithatha unyaka wonke. Yabo. And it's true le nto ithethayo ba igame ibiwineka. Yabo. Ibiwineka when we were playing with u-10. Yabo. Now sibanika yonke into ba okay mabaze kuthi, but you could see le Canada ayikho le Canada. Last time we played with the Canada sayibetha 2-0. Bebethwa Mteko Modise. Yabo. But now the difference eyona difference endizayinika i-props kuyo i-Canada technical. Yabo. First touch yabo is sound. Thina siyayisokola. Why? Yabo. Passes clean. No one's giving away passes. Ilanduka. Even though i-recovery yethu yebhola was far better than bona. Yabo. Akho sloppy passes apho like lena bisenziwa nguMokoena efuna la penetrative pass la long kude la distance for le pass oyifunayo. Yabo, it gets intercepted. La majita awazenzi ezanto eziya. Yabo. So but at the same time players ezishayinileyo majita asebenzile nonetheless. Yabo. Mbokazi is a pillar. Mbokazi is a pillar in that defense, basebenzile no Ocon, basebenzile oSailor, basebenzile oMofokeng, it was a great tournament yokubana sizibone ba sindawo nehlabathini, because uHugo Broos sithi wenze kahle mangathi sithi wenze kahle wenze kahle Hugo. Big ups to Hugo. But now we played so much of nations apho besingakwazi uzibamba kahle ba where are we, opponents ezizasibonisa ba actually nina you are not here, nina niselapha, nina nisabethwa i-first touch up. Yabo. Of which first touch is crucial. Nibethwa indlela yo receive ibhola. Yabo. Awunothi ibhola isiya ngapha uyoyireceive ngo-right wakho. Uyabo. U-left lona make things easy. Uyabo. Because ngoku uzawuthini ngalo right, because funeka uphinde ujike okanye funeka uphinde uye phambili before ucinga ujika. Yabo. Of which the left gives you i-play if you want to play yabo. So sisabethwa nje izinto ezincinci man ezifumaniseke. Lenon City, I'm giving them props because uyabona ba it's yinto ekwi-muscle memory la ezanto ezincinci for Canada, yinto yenza on repeat, it becomes second nature. Well, that's how they won the game. Well, bebeyifuna more than thina siyifuna la match, so they deserved it. But bazodlula kuMorocco bayindawo i-players buti
no Tamsi, big ups to Ilanduka Tamsi, no ETDC, no South African football ever since I introduced Ilanduka. Le nantsika i-second teams zethu i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-Pirates, i-Sundowns. You see boys, they've grown class systems and it's not kakhulu land, we need more officer standard, we need more to make sure NFD bethu yabo AP Mutsebe bethu they put level about professional kule nto so that's when work i-South African issues, i-first touch, indlela upasa, indlela to make sure ndoba ngubani yabo ezinto zisibethayo. So besinid to more siphakamisa pha, because I think to see ndoba ngubani see almost 19 players, local players basically tournament in World Cup, so it shows ndoba ngubani South African have a good standard, but it can do more. It can do more in terms of what to make sure ndoba ngubani Ilanduka is lesser leagues zethu is Ilanduka NFT, AP Motsepe League, they give more Ilanduka focus on South Africa, so that's been once, because I think for going forward we can make it to Basbengu number 1 in Africa we can make it ngoba ngamasibe top 20 ku world in terms of lando siyibonileyo thina because we have football. So big ups to Ombokazi, they play very well. Big ups to Olandoka, Maseko, big ups to Oka, big ups to Tebza, Utebza befumana Ilandoka, I player of Ilandika group in one of the players abampikile ku squad se group for zonke team. So it shows no longer the level here to a players that is up there, you see. So we want to see more man going forward. That is why I've been sitting, let's go forward no Hugo Bros. If as Aminaye, then the next coach must make sure Ndobangamana gives South Africa number 1 the continent and with FIFA rankings world sifako ku top 20.
Yeah, I think Hugo can only take us so far.
Okay.
Yeah, funeka idlulise iBayton.
All right, it comes there.
Yeah, funeka idlulise iBayton. Umdala unabo bo stuck somewhere. Yabo?
Yeah.
Unabo bo stuck somewhere. We need abantu afana no Jingles. Yabo?
Yeah.
I hope, I hope and pray Jingles will be given.
Yeah, I think rumors apply ile pa.
To apply. Yabo? So I hope nyani, and the Thailand yoletishwa ngocoach bangaphandle. When we have umntu or abantu that are capable. Yabo. That are more than capable. Yabo, to lead us. Yabo. I think the next coach nguye now njengoba benisithi i-tournament ibe good, World Cup ibinhle into ba sibe phansi. Now siyakwazi uzimeasureisha ukuba okay thina sendawo ethile. Uyabo, and then from le ndawo ethile uHugo Bros unikezela iBayton pha, hopefully iyawuba ngupitso. UPitso uzawukwazi usithatha pha and skyrocket us to another level. Yabo. Ndive Dr. Patrice ethetha ngo top 10 in the world. Yabo. Top 6 in the world. So now it's possible. Yabo.
Yeah.
Now ndiyacinga ngeapproach yakhe ku-Sundowns ba nzayithatha ndiyise kwi-global stage. Abantu bazodlala iWorld Cup. Nah, it's possible. Yabo. And unyanisile it is. Singangu-1 Africa. We can be still speak with top 10. Yabo. In the world with FIFA rankings. It's very possible. Yabo. With Jingles. Yes, we can go far. We can go far. And we have a lot of talent, man. There's a talent bubbling up. Yabo. Sitendwane ku Fulham. Iyatshala ntwana ifuna urepresent uMzantsi. Beke yabizwa was it under 20 or under 17? Beke yabizwa again. Seke yabizwa under 15. Ukhaya Valley. Yabo. Is a Fulham ntwana scoring like a madman. Yabo. Every time we South Africa, I post on South Africa. Yeah. So we have players, man, as per share, even like to add from Easy. It's going to be crazy, man. Sizayithatha man ibhola yethu inayo le talent yabo. It just needs nje unavigatewa ngulo muntu. So yeah. When I get to ufuna uHugo aqhube now.
Yeah, no. I've seen uHugo sumnika to another World Cup, yabo. I think angaswinela iAFCON and asilahle kwi last 8 or semi-finals World Cup, yabo. And overall pick ups to Morocco, last 16 played last night. Babeta one of the giants as Europe in Netherlands, total football. Yeah, so pick ups to Amashita. They show Amashita wasezolandika. Awasezolandika izinto ezikuthiwa hayi manzi underdogs nendona. I think they are part of a candidate because the last World Cup bebe kwi same. So we can see into bangamana nabo ngoku yabo mabanikwe igama yabo. Show Timbozi, show. No hayi.
Yeah, masival budi. Engosini bahlali ngokubukela uSporting Culture. Please subscribe to our channel, like, share. Peace.
Let's follow.